Welcome to our Grillmasters barbecue series. Every time we barbecue, we bringing it to you.
Ready, guys?
Ready. All right, today we're gonna do ribeyes, no bone in, so they're not cowboy, which is our favorite, but they didn't have any at the store, so we went ahead and we got regular ribeyes, no bone in, spare ribs, and we're gonna do some chicken wings here. So with the ribeyes, we're gonna do those Longhorn steakhouse style. So we're going to use the Longhorn steakhouse seasoning mix, and the way they do it is they have cumin. We're going to use truffle salt here, black pepper, onion minced, and fresh paprika for the color. You know that. So we're going to oil these first, and again, you can use canola oil, you can use olive oil, or you can use that old trick, which is Italian dressing. So we're going to oil them here, and we're going to use olive oil. Okay, let's apply our seasoning here. Alright, we're going to wrap those up. Let them get to room temperature and marinate. And for the record, before we season our steaks, we patted them down with a napkin to make sure that they were dry. Never rinse off a steak. But for the chicken, we're going to rinse the chicken off and wash the chicken, and then we're going to season it, and we'll be back. And for our chicken, I like to use this bucket so I can mix things up. So what we're going to do is we're going to use this Italian seasoning on there. We're going to do something different and use this today. This is called Wiley's Southern Barbecue Seasoning for wings. So the reason we use this bucket is because we can shake it up. We're going to shake this up. And this is what we look like. Okay, we got our spare rib here next, and we're going to clean it up a bit. Let's pat it down. So there was not a lot of knife work with that, but as you see, we cleaned it off, and this is what we got off of there, as you can see right here. I'm also going to season the excess meat that was left over, minus the fat, and we'll throw that on as well and have that as a snack while we're cooking. So we'll come back to that. So as our binder, we're going to use our same things we've been using, Italian dressing, herb and garlic. But I'm going to do something you guys probably haven't seen yet, and that is I'm going to mix the mustard in with this as well. So I like to start from the other side because we don't go as heavy on the other side, but we do want the flavor on the other side. And we're going to throw the mustard on first. Doesn't have to be too much, just enough to give it a base here. Then we're going to hit it with the Italian dressing. And I'm going to save the garlic and herb for the other side. So this is the mix that we're going to use today. All right. We're going to start off with black pepper, a little salt, garlic salt. All right, we're going to use white pepper as well, onion powder, chili powder, adobo. I love this stuff, all-purpose seasoning, cumin, and last, paprika. And this has become my favorite, paprika right here. I also have this Valentine's all-natural meat seasoning. You guys can look that up and get that, but it's a special blend. And we're going to flip it over, start the process all over again. And these are our little side pieces. We put a little bit of the Valentine's season on there with a little bit of the Italian dressing, and then we're going to close that up, shake that up, let that marinate. We're going to wrap this up and let that marinate as well. Now we got our ribs wrapped, we have our chicken side pieces here, and we have our steaks there. So we got to fire up the grill. Yeah, look at that. So we built the fire, everything's on. We're doing things a little bit different today. We had the mesquite, the charcoal's over here. Well, no, we got the hickory. Yeah, that's right. We had the mesquite last time. But look at that smoke. Let's see. Ooh, look at that, guys. So our steaks are on right there. That's what we're going to start off and eat for lunch. But we have our chicken on and our ribs on. And this is where we're at right now. And we're doing a reverse cook again. So we started off with high heat, then we moved them up, let things get under control, then we'll move them back down, then we'll eat. Look at there. They like their steaks well done around here, so we do medium well as well, but that's really good. Trying out this steak. And it's done, but it's still juicy. That's really good. Really good. Got the wings and pieces off. Ribs looking good. I'm gonna keep it out here.
Yay! You caught me, huh?
We got these off. About to cut them. Okay, now we're about to cut this. Let's see.